Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you to sew a mouthguard. We have some different materials for sewing a mouthguard. We need a piece of fabric, elastic band, wire, textile scissors, yarn, maybe a hand measure or a big ruler. So let's start. So if you use a fabric piece of 140 centimeters by 110 centimeters, you can get 24 mouthguards. When you cut your fabric, make sure that your fabric lays right in the fold. After cutting the fabric, you must have 24 pieces of 34 centimeters by 17 centimeters. You can measure 17 centimeters, make a little cut and rip the whole fabric in a long piece of 17 centimeters. So after cutting the fabric, we have several pieces of 17 centimeters, which you can cut now into these pieces of 34 centimeters by 17 centimeters. Now we have the finished pieces which we can use for sewing the mouthguards. For the next step, take your elastic band and cut it into two pieces of 20 centimeters. Mark the fold and put the elastic band on the right side of the fabric. Pin one side of the band next to the fold and the other side of the band with 1 centimeter seam allowance to the cut edge. You can fix the elastic band by making a few stitches if you want. Now put the right sides together and fix it with pins. Make sure that you have a small opening for turning the mouthguard and where you can put in the wire. Now we can sew to the opening on each side. So this is our prepared piece. Lay it under your sewing machine and sew the two seam lines with 1 centimeter seam allowance and make a back stitch at the opening. Now we can turn the mouthguard to the right side and shape the corners. You can use a pair of closed scissors for that part. That's our small opening and this is how our mouthguard looks like yet. Take your wire now, cut it into a size about 14.5 centimeters and put it into the opening until it lays exactly in the fold. Now we make a small tunnel where the wire is fixed. So that's our tunnel. Take the other side with the opening now and stitch a seam close to the edge. So last step is to spread the pleats. Therefore take each side and lay 3 same pleats with a pleat content of 2.6 centimeters and fix every single pleat with a pin. Now we will fix the pleats by doing a seam with our sewing machine. With these pleats we have enough space to breathe. The wire is a little helper to adjust the mouthguard at the nose. This is how our mouthguard looks like so far. You can now adjust it at your nose and how it feels comfortable on your face. We hope you enjoyed and understood the tutorial. Now you know how to make a mouthguard by your own.